My name is Matthias. I would like to invite you to my next course in the Future Me Academy website. The course is called High-Tech Music for Beginners, and it's a 15-hour course based on my method of working with Ableton Live and other VSTs and tools. The course is presential. You have to be there to take each class, but the classes are recorded and uploaded to the website every day. So in case you miss one class or you cannot assist, there is the possibility to watch them until, as long as the course is active, you will be able to watch the class. So thank you guys for watching. I'll leave you with a little tutorial video or a little piece sample of one of the classes, and see you there. Other types of filters that we saw last class was the MISC and the flangers folders, these two categories of filters. So our next sound, it's also a serum. We were talking about the curves inside the flangers and the MISCs. The comb filter ones, for example, is a filter that will add a little bit of delay to the signal that is being processed, creating this kind of phaser-ish, comb-ish effect. These effects are good when you want to, for example, create ambiences or all kinds of atmospheres and ambiences. Just put a little bit of delay and reverb. I'll put a little envelope here, or an LFO in envelope mode. So we can actually if we modulate the fine-tuning of this guy a little bit. Fine-tuning is the tuning inside one semitone. That shall give us some nasty, nice modulations there. I'm gonna add one of the presets from Echo. It's called Diffuse Long Cascade. The echo is basically a reverb with a delay combined. I prefer it without the LFO, just the bare fine modulation, that fine-tune modulation. Okay, there you have it, guys. That is the comb filter. That's not the most typical effect that you would make with the comb filter, but definitely one of those.